Welcome one, welcome all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and we're going to do a get ready with me for content day. This is the makeup look. I decided to do a green with a lavender look, and I just love it. Now this video will be a voiceover, but I just wanted to come on here and say welcome. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the video. I'm going to jump right into it, starting off with my Jack Black lip balm. We're going to put that on our lips, so by the time we get to our lips, hey, we're there. Then we're going to go in with the OneSize Secure the Blur Magic Primer and put that all over our face as a primer. And then we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty setting powder and set the primer basically. And then we're going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless setting spray and set the setting powder. This way our makeup can stay all day. Next, I'm going in with my Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer, and this is in the shade Amber to color correct. Going to blend that out and make sure everything is seamless to start the layer or one layer foundation. Then we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Bronzer in the shade Hazelnut. And we're just going to put that on top of everything we just did. So it's going to be like we're layering, or we're underpainting is what they call it. But it's still one layer of makeup, which I really love. Then I'm going to go in with my Jouer bronze highlight and conceal stick. And then I'm going to go in with my other shade of Jouer High Coverage Concealer in the shade, I believe this is Coffee, and this is going to be our highlighting shade. We're going to blend that out, because like I said, we're doing some underpainting before we put on our foundation. Next, we're going to go in with my Jouer High Coverage Foundation, basically, in the shade Pecan. And this is something new for me. I tried it once before, and I seem to love it. It's like the perfect shade, and it actually does blur out everything. So I used it on top of all of the highlight and contour that we did, or the concealer and contour that we did. And then I went in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and sprayed that down, sprayed my face down, and then went over everything with my Eco Tools makeup sponge, the Plant Me based makeup sponge. I love this sponge. spot highlighter and put these on our cheekbones or above our cheekbones and blend that out. Make sure everything is good and ready to go. Next, we're going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Rose Latte to put on before we put on our powder blush. Next, I'm going to make sure there aren't any creases and go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder or Micro Smooth Setting Powder and go up under my eyes and then all of the other places that we placed the concealer. Fenty Beauty foundation powder in the shade 410 and just set everything else. This is going to make everything smooth and seamless. I really feel like you might think it might be a lot of makeup, but it's really not. Then I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I'm going to bring you in closer. Now we are starting off with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime in the color shade 2 to prime my eyes and get ready for eyeshadow. And then we're going to go in with the Dose of Colors Cutting Edge palette and take that kind of mustardy yellow color, and that is going to be our transition color before we go in with any other colors. Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette, we're going to go in with the 2 middle shades to basically blend out the transition color from the other palette. Then we're going to go back in and go in with the deepest shade of green. It's like an olive green in the Cutting Edge palette. And we're going to darken the outer edge and our crease just so we can give them some dimension. We always have to make sure we blend and everything is seamless and there aren't any harsh lines. Then with the Too Faced glitter glue, I'm going to go in with that dark green glitter from the Dose of Colors Cutting Edge palette, and then I'm also going to use a matte glitter green. I'm not sure of the shade, but I love this color. And we're going to first start out with the outer edge and put that dark green from the Cutting Edge palette, and then go in the center and towards the front of the lid or the start of the lid with that matte color. And then in the very front, like I said, I love this color. This is the Juvia's Place Liquid Eyeshadow in Ankara, and we're going to put that basically blended with everything. This is such a beautiful color. As you can see, I was shooketh. We're always gonna fan this out because this is liquid eyeshadow, and then we're going to make sure everything is still blended by going in with that original brush with that mustard yellow color. Now, Melt Cosmetics does no longer sell this gel liner, but this is in the shade Fortuna, and I believe this is from the Vita and Muerte launch a couple of years ago. I know old, but I really don't use this color, but I thought it would go great with this green. Now for the star of the show, we're going in with the Lavender new MAC Cosmetics pencil, eyeliner pencil. This is so long lasting. You can't really wash it off with water, but it's so beautiful and I love it. And then we're going to top it off with the color Cobalt from MAC Cosmetics to give that very lavender look. It's so pretty. And because I wanted it to pop a little more, we're going to go in with Stars and Rocket from the MAC Cosmetics line. I have a lot of single eyeshadow, so that's what you're seeing here. Now I'm going to zoom you all back out so we can show the rest of the face. We're going to wipe away the baking powder basically, and any fallout that went along with it. And to make sure there aren't any white casts on my face, or isn't any white cast on my face, I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark. Then for bronzer, we're going to go in with my favorite Juvia's Place Bronze Palette, Volume 1, I believe it is, or in the shade Dark. We're just going to bronze up this skin, honey. The blush from MAC Cosmetics called Raisin, we're gonna blush up these cheeks, make sure we have that flush look to go along with the cream bronzer or cream blush we used earlier. And now before I put on any highlighter, we're going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist again and go in with the Dose of Colors. Gold is the new black highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's so pretty on deeper skin tones. We're gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I just love this mascara. It has a hold on me. I don't know why, but it's so good. And because I thought I needed some more pizzazz, we're going to go in with the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadow in this pretty green metallic color. It's so pretty. And we're going to put that on the outer edge over where the darker eyeshadow and the darker glitter eyeshadow meet. And then we're going to blend it out. For our lips and while our lashes are drying or getting tacky, we're going to go in with the Morphe color pencil in the shade Trendsetter, and then we're going to go in with this Juvia's Place lipstick. I love this lipstick and it's perfect for this look. Now before we show you the final look, I'm going to spray one more time, but this time with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and fan myself until we're dry. And this, my loves, are the final look, or is the final look. Let me know what you all think. All right, bye.